First thing you want to do is measure off all of the boxes that you will need to put these value scales in. Start at the top of your 1114 drawing pad, and you can use a triangle, or you could just measure down from your from the edge of your page so that you can get a nice line across. And again, do the same thing vertically. And from there you can measure off your 3/4 inch boxes using a 6-inch ruler. Now in the case of the 10, 50, and 100 charts, you can rule off 3/4 of an inch 3 times, and then again measure 3 inches, 3/4 of an inch on your height. Leave a 1/4 inch space between, another 3/4, a 1/4 inch, and then 3/4. Line up your triangle with the edge of your paper and draw across. So once you have these guidelines marked off, you can do this on another horizontal line, mark off your 3/4, and then once you have those, you just realign your triangle and create your 3 divisions. And you're ready to go. Now all you really need to do is clean it up. And you have your first set of exercises. All the next groups will be 10 divisions, so you're going to need to divide into 3/4 inch groups. Again, create a vertical line. And now you can divide this into vertically 3/4, save a 1/4, 3/4, space a 1/4, 3/4, space a 1/4. So that'll give you, this will give you the 3 groups for the stepped tone pattern. And then you will need, again, another group of 3. Separated by a 1/4 inch, and that group will be your continuous tone, and then the last one will be your textured pattern. So now we can go ahead and we can line it up again with the edge of your paper. You have a triangle. If not, you can measure. If you have a T-square and a triangle, that's even a better way to do this. But now we'll measure out our spaces, our 10 spaces, and there will be no separation between the spaces horizontally. So you measure 3/4 of an inch all the way across until you have 10 sections. Even though you couldn't see it in the total measuring process, you can see I have the 3 boxes at the top. And I have 3 sets of lines here. And 3 more sets of lines here, and the final one at the bottom. Now we can do the horizontals and get all of these boxes measured out accurately. So I have marked off all of these segments with the pencil that needs to be used for each one of these divisions. This is 2H, HB, 2B, 2H, HB, 2B, and 2H, HB, 2B, and then for the textural band, we'll use the 2H. The one thing that's really important as you're working in graphite is that you protect the paper. You want to lay down a piece of copy paper or tracing paper or something so that your hand rests on that piece of paper and doesn't leave oils from your hand on the drawing paper. This is very critical. Even though you're doing these as exercises, it's a good habit to get into as you are starting to draw individual specimens.